Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk-around. This is the 2019, the Ford Flex. Stock number is 7457. I'll show you this Flex up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. I like to say we're flexing our muscle by showing you imperfect video. Take notice of the third row seating, ample leg room. Those also fold down. You can store and transport cargo, groceries, whatever might be on your need for the day. Ample legroom, as you can see. No rips, no tears, no stains on the interior. And look how sleek this front compartment is with the leather interior you're going to see. The ease of access to all the controls within arm's length. A very safe, comfortable ride. Super low miles on this Flex. She won't last long. So do me a favor, for more info, give us a call, email us, text us, better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you in person and hopefully earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day. Take care.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.